Do you know that the use of AI these days have made trading more easier, understandable, and then more interesting? Many people are using AI in a way it's going to profit them and it's going to benefit them in the crypto market, but many of people that don't know about this are really missing out. Most crypto traders that know about this are making use of this to their own advantage, while others don't know about it. So in this video, I'm going to be introducing you to this AI trading assistant that is very easy to use and can make you trade smarter and analyze the market way is going to profit you. This trading AI assistant I'm talking about is built in a popular crypto exchange that you probably know about. So if you're interested in this and you want to know more about it, just watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you the exchange you can use this AI trading assistant on, or the exchange that it is built in on, and you can use it there to trade. So make sure you stay tuned to the end and you understand everything about this. So don't forget to subscribe to my other social media handles or my other social media channels so that you don't miss out interesting updates. And I usually drop trading signals on my Telegram channel. So if you're interested in that, you can join my Telegram community so that you don't miss out on interesting trading signals that I'm going to be dropping there. So with that being said, let's dive into my phone screen and I'm going to show you how and exactly how this really works. So the name of the AI is called Trade GPT, and it's just like the normal open AI, like the chat GPT that you guys know about, but the difference here is that it works and focus majorly on trading and chart analysis. And also what you should know about this is that you can only access the Trade GPT on the bybit exchange. Like I told you earlier, it is being owned by a popular crypto exchange, which is the bybit. And I'm going to show you how to make use of this and how to make use of this to analyze trades and charts. So before then, I'm going to show you how to open the Trade GTP app in the bybit exchange app. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open your bybit, and if you don't have a bybit account, you can just go to the description section of this video. I'm going to be dropping my details which you can use to create a bybit account. After you have created and set up your account, you can find the Trade GPT AI app on this trade section here. You come to the trade section, you can go to the futures or you can go to the spot here, any of it that is showing charts. Then all you need to do is to click. You can see this icon at the top here near this feed here. You can just click on it and automatically it's going to take you to the Trade GPT AI assistant. So that's just how easy it is to access this AI assistant. So I made other research about this, and you can see that what they are saying about Trade GPT on ChatGPT here is saying that Trade GTP is an artificial intelligence tool on bybit, which I've just told you earlier, that uses a large language model like ChatGPT plus bybit real-time market data to give you instant market analysis, indicator breakdown, and strategy insights. It's meant to help both beginner and experienced traders understand what's happening in the crypto market without manual scanning charts or going through confusing statistics or stats. You can see the key features of the Trade GPT here. You can see first here is the market analysis and summary, and if you see the second section, you can see it's technical indicator explanation. You see the third key feature here, you can see smart Q&A, and if you go down, you can see the fourth features it has a custom inquiries. Then the fifth one, master trade features, and the rest. So you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT about this Trade GPT AI, and it's going to explain more of it to you, and you can read it and understand it carefully. So now let me show you how to use this. So currently you can see I am on the BTC USDT chart on bybit. So if I click on the Trade GPT AI, it's going to analyze the market conditions for me, and it's going to provide me with some necessary analysis about BTC USD current market. So you can see, please provide a market analysis report for BTC starts with a summary followed by the details breakdown including market signals, sentimentals, and news impact, and provide specific investment advice based on my current holdings. So this is a prompt question that is always asking the trade GTP anytime you click on it, and you can see it's always bringing this summary out. So you can see Bitcoin market analysis report, you can see the summary there. If you go down, you can see detailed breakdown, you can see market signals, and you can see technical indicators, that is the RSI and the all those indicators, what they are showing. And if you go down, you can see other stuffs or other analysis that it has to share here. So after all the analysis it has made, you can see that at this section here, you can see the conclusion, which is saying that Bitcoin is positioned for a potential significant move with a bullish momentum supported by institutional interest and improving market sentiment. However, technical indicators and on-chain data advice caution due to overbought conditions and mixed wheels activity. For your portfolio, a measured and risk-aware approach to BTC expose is recommended, balancing potential upside with prudent risk control. So you can see recommended next question. So you can see he's giving you a recommended next question to ask him, and he's going to answer you based on the analysis, that is the market analysis. So you can see there are so many things you can make use of this using this trade GTP for your tradings. So if you add this concept of using AI as your trading assistant, is going to help you a lot. And you can see copy trading recommendation is given here. And also, so let's say I told it to analyze BTC daily RSI and its key level, get more actionable feedback here, and you're going to see the result and answer is going to be giving me here. You can see, guys, you can see it. Like if you ask the AI anything about trading or anything about the chart or market, it's going to be giving you answers that is going to help to make you trade smartly and easily. So all these things that you need to do, manual stuffs to come to the results, you can just ask the AI anything about trading and it's going to give you an answer to it. So this is it, and this is what I really have to share with you on today's video. I don't want this video to be more lengthier than this, so I'm going to be leaving you for now, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Peace.